Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Recently, one of my sewing room friends, Karen, sent me a copy of a pattern called the Doodle quilt. She said it was quite old. It was just a photocopy, and I do not have the designer's name or the book it came out of. I tried to look it up, but it's a very simple design. I have a quilt behind me that I put together. I did not use the same measurements, but the inspiration comes from this old pattern. Let's get started. Here is the pattern I received in the mail. It has 6 pieces, and so I decided to cut my squares 6 inches. The larger rectangles there are 4 inches by 6 inches, and the strips are 2.5 by 6 inches. I had my 6 little piles of pieces here. Each pile has 16 because I'm making 16 blocks, and I began with that really cute animal print up there in the right corner of my pieces here, and that helped me choose all of the colors that I'm using. After joining those strips to the rectangles, I added the 2 larger squares, and when I had all of my pieces together, my block is 11.5 inches. I made all of the blocks the same way, and when I lay this out on my design floor, I plan on moving them around and just having them go this way and that. There will not be a real order to the way that I lay them out, and this is a fun, easy block. These blocks took me very little time to sew together. I worked on them yesterday morning, and I made the 16 blocks that I need for my baby quilt. Here's a picture of that pattern again, and it recommends using 2 darks, 2 mediums, and 2 lights, and my colors are not that strong, but I tried to follow that. Here's the equipment, and you can tell it's an old pattern because there are paper templates and nothing's mentioned about a rotary blade or a plastic template. It was all done just using probably paper templates that may have been cut out of cardboard and then traced on the fabric. I really appreciate Karen sending this pattern. It was very timely because I had been needing to make a baby quilt for a friend. She wanted a mainly green quilt, and I had that little piece of animal print, like I said, that is really cute. So I was able to pull some fabrics that go along with that animal print, and this pattern was just perfect for this quilt. The blocks for this quilt came together so quick and easy. Having all those little stacks of things already cut really helped, and I hope to quilt this baby quilt very soon, so be on the lookout for a video where I'll be quilting this, and I hope that won't take very long. I think I might just do some diagonal stitches through the quilt. I have all those squares. I can just eyeball a diagonal line through the quilt going both ways, and I'm looking forward to getting this complete and giving it to that new mommy. This quilt turned out really cute. I love the colors, and I'm thankful I had that animal print to give me some clues as to putting all these colors together. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.